How to delete apps on Shopify. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin, and once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. Then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. Once you're here, scroll down to apps and sales channels and click on it. And here you will be able to find all of the apps that are installed on your Shopify store. In order for you to remove one of the apps, you simply have to click on it and then scroll all the way down to the delete section, and from there click on the red button that says delete app. A confirmation box or window will appear that will tell you what will happen if you delete the app, and also it will give you an optional feedback that you can select a reason as to why you want to delete the app. Once you do that, click on the delete button at the bottom right, which is in red, and the app will be deleted from your store. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove and uninstall Shopify apps. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.